I want to tell a very interesting information related to these heterocycles, which are aromatic 5-member nitrogen containing. This is the Pyrrole 5-member aromatic nitrogen containing heterocycle. This is Imidazole, Pyrazole and Oxazole. Very simple. The basicity is determined practically by pK value. More is the pK value, stronger is the base. In this example, for heterocycles, Pyrrole has pK value minus 3.8 to 0.4. Imidazole, it's equivalent to 7, and Pyrazole is 2.5, and Oxazole it is 0.8. If you see these values, you can easily understand the lowest base is, or weakest base is, the Pyrrole. Why it is so? Because according to the definition of base, the lone pair of nitrogen, if they are available freely, then it is strong base, and if they are not available, it is weaker base. I mean, availability of lone pair of electron that determine basicity of this heterocycle. So if you see this example, which is weakest base, the lone pair of electron, actually the part of this aromaticity which is not available, and that's the reason why it is having pK value this much low, 0.5, 0.4. Then if you see these two examples, these are intermediate. This is the lowest, weakest base, then this is second last. This is the highest basic, I mean more basic. Why it is so? Because the lone pair of electron is not part of aromaticity. They are available to to be protonated, and therefore this is having pK value 7, highest. Pyrazole and Imidazole, they are actually isomer, interestingly. So why it is having pK value 2.5? Because same thing, the lone pair of electron available, but the difference is that this nitrogen is connected with this nitrogen, and if you see protonation happen to this, then positive charge will develop on this nitrogen, and this nitrogen is lone pair of electron is part of resonance. So we know that when the resonance happen, this nitrogen acquires positive charge. So these two positive charged nitrogens are very close to each other, comparatively unstable. Besides, they have inductive effect also, and that's the reason availability of this state is less. Availability of lone pair of electron is less, and therefore Pyrazole is comparatively less basic. And in case of this is it's a very, like, Imidazole separate, not connected to oxygen, but oxygen is more electronegative, that's pulling electron. That's the reason why it is having pK value 0.8. So this is